He's maybe found something gross, probably. Okay, buddy, come on. Come on. Cuckoo. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yes. All right. Something to watch out for on the way back, as he's marked it as special. So, yeah. All right, well, here I am out on a rainy day. If I didn't have to be out here, I would not be here. However, I am here because of the dog. And in fact, it's quite lovely to get out, get some oxygen in the lungs, move this body around. And yes, the sound of the rain is actually quite wonderful too, isn't it? Although I could just as easily hear it from inside the house where I'm warm and dry. But this is good. Seriously, I know that sounded like pressured, but I really do believe that it's, enjoyable for me in this moment being out here. I didn't bring my gloves though, that's the only thing. I don't know why I was forgetting that it would also be cold, but that's really the only regret I have at the moment, is not having gloves on. So, yep, it's a good place to walk here though on a rainy day. Not too many other people wanting to be out, and so we've got more or less free roam of the spot. Pretty beautiful.